So hi everyone, today we will be in very brief try to understand what is one versus rest classification in machine learning. So basically it's one of the strategies that is used for multi-classification and multi-level classification problems. So what does one versus rest do? So when you have multiple classes in your final prediction, in that case what you can do is that instead of training just a single model for predicting all the classes, you can have separate models for each of the class. So, for example, if you have a data set for assume a movie genre classification, that is action, comedy, and drama. Assume that these are the three genres that are in the prediction data set that are in the target label. So for each of the three classes, we can have three separate binary classification models. That is action versus rest, comedy versus rest, drama versus rest. So in this rest, the other two classes are included. They are grouped together. So now instead of a multi-classification or multi-level classification problem, this becomes a binary classification problem for you. And as you know, binary classification would be comparatively easier, so your model performance may improve. So once you have built all these multiple models for each of the classes that are present in your data set, eventually once the data comes in, you need to feed your sample data into each of these models, get the predictions, and whichever model says ki, okay, this particular class is present, giving a yes or one as a final prediction, all those classes can be considered as the final output. If it is a multi-level classification or if it is a multi-class classification, whichever model tells you that this class is present, you can take that, or depending upon the probabilities, you can go with it.